What you just saw was a delivery man delivering me some beautiful packages that are going to go on both of these lovely ass cars right here, because money was spent and money was well spent. Now it's technically going to be top secret, so I'm not going to really tell you in this video, but if you manage to get it, you could say it in the comment section. I'm not going to really like be policing it. So yeah, if you understand it, if you get it, then 100% let's do it. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna put these guys onto the Miata and we're just gonna see what happens. So bear with me for a bit. Now we gotta jack up this car, so let's get it done. All right, so the car's now up on jack stands. We got it off the ground. These are what's gonna go onto the Miata, and luckily they covered them up because I don't want you guys to see what I'm putting on it. That's a surprise, and that's also going to be during a later video, so you guys aren't going to be able to see it, but let me show you what we are going to be doing today. We just mounted new tires onto these buddy clubs, make it look good. As you can see, here's the rears. They look really good, really nice and steezy. But yeah, that's what we ended up doing earlier. But as of right now, it's kind of raining, or misting, but still raining. So let me rewind back the tape because this thing is not starting again, believe it or not. Yeah, this car isn't starting, so just quick snap of the fingers. What's going on, guys? It's pretty early in the morning, and today we are taking the Del Sol out to a Honda meet slash toy drive up in a Honda dealership, kind of like how we do with the Miata mornings. So I thought it'd be really cool if we took the Del Sol out. So that's exactly what we'll be doing today. We'll be taking out the stinker. So let's get these leaves off right here and let's get going. Alright, we got the back out, center console out, and now we gotta get into the fuel pump, which there's a lot of water back here, but I don't think that's because it's leaking. I think that's just because of condensation, because that's just kind of how condensation works. So we're gonna get into there and check on the fuel relay, make sure everything is good in there. So, ooh, here we go. Yeah, so as you can see right back here, I took out this panel, so that way the fuel pump is showing, and we're going to hopefully get that replaced. I actually ordered it already. I ordered the part for the fuel pump, and it's not coming. It's actually kind of annoying. It's going to come at around Wednesday, the 25th, so it's coming on Christmas, which means that the Christmas gift to me is going to be having my Del Sol run and drive again. I hope it's the fuel pump because we checked to see if the fuel relay was the issue, the main relay. It wasn't. We checked the fuses, nothing blew. And last but not least, I checked the ECU again, and it's not that, so it has to be the fuel pump. I tried doing the Chris Fix method where you hit it with a hammer a couple of times, but that wasn't working. So I just decided to just bite the bullet and buy one. I bought a Denso one, so hopefully buying a good name brand one is going to make it last for a little bit. But okay, it's really starting to rain now, so I'm gonna go back inside. That's kind of where it stands right now though, so yeah,